Hello everyone, here we are supposed to see transistor as a switch. When we can use transistor as a switch? Can anyone tell me? We can use transistor as amplifier if transistor is in the active region. I have given the clue. Now, transistor हम switch बोल के कब use कर सकते हैं? Yes, we can use transistor as a switch if transistor it will be in the saturation or it will be in the cutoff region. Why? Because in cutoff region both junction will be reverse bias and in saturation region both region will be in the forward bias. So we are supposed to see here. You can see the diagram for NPN, PNP. When N or P type semiconductor is connect in between two P type or N type, we are saying that as a transistor. So we will get the word transistor from transfer and a resistor. It is a three terminal device. We can make transistor by using silicon or germanium. There are two types of the transistor, NPN and PNP. We are supposed to see transistor as switch. Q point you can see here. If they are asking the diagram for transistor as amplifier, जो उसका output characteristics है, that same diagram you can draw. Only you are supposed to draw this line A, B and Q. ये जो join हुई है from collector current to the VCE. If you are drawing this diagram for transistor as amplifier, at that time also you will get the full mark. And if they are asking transistor as a CE amplifier, सिर्फ वहां पे क्या करना है तुमको, जो कॉमन इमिटर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के लिए हमने जो डायग्राम दिखा है, सेम डायग्राम यू आर सपोज टू फॉर द वर्किंग प्रिंसिपल ऑपरेशन. आफ्टर दैट फॉर द वेवफॉर्म you can draw its characteristics like this. You are only supposed to show the Q point and that will be in the active region. So here we are supposed to see now the transistor as a switch. So if transistor it will be in the cutoff or the saturation region, because in cutoff region both collector base junction, emitter base junction will get forward bias, will get reverse bias, and in saturation region both junction will get forward bias. So here we can say transistor, if we are having NPN or PNP, we know its VI characteristics. How? If we see its output characteristics, that will be divided into three regions: cutoff, active and saturation. In active region, we cannot use transistor as a switch. But if transistor is in cutoff region, जो नीचे का purple color का है, at that time both junction will get reverse bias, so there will be very less or no current flow. So that's why we can use transistor as off switch. And if transistor both region, emitter base collector junction, are forward bias, you can see here जो ऊपर के साइड वाला ये जो दिखा है, before the A point, this region we can say as a transistor in a saturation region. So here we can use transistor as a closed switch. Now, if transistor is in cutoff region, both junction will be reverse bias. So there no amount of current will flow for NPN as well as for PNP. But if you can see here, when we are using transistor in cutoff region, how we can use transistor as a cutoff region? See here, when transistor is in cutoff region, at that time cutoff region we can say as a off mode using a bipolar transistor, because here both emitter base collector base junction are reverse bias, and here the value of base voltage VBE is less than 0.7, मतलब cutoff voltage से कम है, that's why. And here output current IC equal to 0. So for PNP, emitter potential must be negative with respect to the base. Here if you see, for the transistor is in a cutoff region. So you can see if transistor will be in the cutoff region, you can short the terminal between collector and base. collector और base के terminal को हमने short किया है. So we can say here short मतलब क्या है, दोनों को commonly connect कर दिया है मैंने. So we can say here the operating conditions of transistor are 0. So here there is input current 0, output current 0. So maximum output voltage VCE will result in a large depletion region, and there you will not get any amount of current flowing through the transistor. So we can say here transistor as a off switch. This diagram you will need it for transistor as off switch. So you can say switch is closed. Switch closed मतलब क्या है, transistor as off. So you can say here there is no amount of current flow. Now, sorry, they have given here, they have done their one mistake. Here they are supposed to show switch off. Switch is off. यहाँ उन्होंने switch close बताया है, but switch close है मतलब क्या है, current flow होगा. There is the printed diagram. First diagram is exactly correct, but in the second जो switch ये red जो close बताया है, that switch should be open. ये जो red line है ये तुमको open बताना चाहिए, यहाँ पे ये open है, ये close नहीं है. So what we are saying here, when we are making input terminal between base and the collector short, at that time there is zero input current IB, zero output current IC, due to which there will be no amount of current flow and switch will behave as off switch. Switch behave as off switch. You can write here switch open. ये जो उन्होंने switch close लिखा है, switch open लिखो और ये switch open कर देना. ये जो रेड कलर उन्होंने दोनों तरफ ज्वाइन किया है, एक तरफ ज्वाइन करो, एक तरफ खुला रखो. So you will get transistor as off switch. Now transistor as on switch. For that you will need this diagram, same diagram, second same diagram, only what you will need it here, switch close. So we can say here, if we are giving the power supply at that time, transistor will get forward bias, so that maximum amount of base current will get flow, due to which there you will get larger amount of output collector current, and their depletion region will become very less, barrier potential will become very low. So we can say transistor is fully switched on, and here we can use transistor as a closed switch. Diagram is same, switch close, only यहाँ पे switch open बताना है. And यहाँ पे we are not giving any power supply. You can write V in equal to 0 volt. And second diagram you can write here V in. So here we can say transistor we can use as a closed switch. If we are using transistor in the saturation region, at that time the value of